We're going to process this rabbit, and I'm going to show you the quickest way to do it. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You probably clicked on this video today to see me process a rabbit as quick as I can. This is going to be a collaboration between two channels, me and one other channel. So the other channel is Good Simple Living. I'm doing a collaboration with Melissa over there. She is like the rabbit queen of YouTube. So if you guys are into homesteading, rabbits, anything like that, you need to go check out Melissa's channel. It's Good Simple Living. We're both doing a rabbit processing video. So the theme behind this the collaboration is she's going to show you processing and skinning out a rabbit the fastest way you can with keeping the hide. Now I don't keep the hide. She sells all her hides up there. I don't. The coyotes end up eating them. We got a pile out there that we feed the wildlife. They need to eat too. So with that being said, I'm going to show you the quickest way to skin a rabbit, process a rabbit without saving the hide. So if you want to see me how fast I can do it, awesome. Then go check out Melissa. I'm going to put a iCard up right there to her video. We're also doing a giveaway. This is a pretty cool collaboration we got going on. I'm going to run down the rules real quick, and then we're going to process the rabbit. But all right, so the rules are: you have to go over to Melissa's Good Simple Living, subscribe to her channel, leave a comment in her comment section of the video I put up there to enter in 2 giveaways. I'm just giving away $50. I'm going to give away a $50 bill. I'm going to mail it to someone out there, whoever wins. You have to comment down in my video below, and you have to comment her video below to get in her giveaway. She's giving away, I think it values almost $200 knife. It's an awesome little knife. If I can get a picture of it, I'll flash it up here somewhere on there so you can see. I think she's actually using it in her video to process her meat rabbit. So if you want in this giveaway, go subscribe to her, leave a comment in her video. You'll win. You could get a chance to win that knife. Subscribe to me and leave a comment down below in this video, and you're automatically entered to win the $50. I haven't talked to her. That's one thing we forgot to talk about, was when is the giveaway going to close? I usually run giveaways for a week. So this is Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon. So next Saturday, I'll announce my winner, and she may have said something different in her, so just follow her rules as far as when she's going to announce the winner. But here's the thing, guys. It's your responsibility to email me. Don't leave a comment in the video saying you won. The last person who won has not collected their prize yet because they have not emailed me yet. They left a comment, and I commented back. I said, please email me. But my email will be down in the description box below. If you win, email me and I'll verify that you won. Now, I've been getting scammers that have said, oh, I'm a winner, and no, they weren't. They're completely scammers, so I have to be careful. I'm not just going to send this out to anyone. I have to verify that you're actually who you say you are. So when you email me, we'll go through the gist of that. So good luck to whoever enters this giveaway. And like I said, go subscribe to Good Simple Living. They are at like 38,800 subscribers. Their goal for the year when they first got back into YouTube was to get to 40,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and there's like 2 weeks left. I know you guys can bump them up over 40,000 subscribers. You're going to like what they got going on. They're homesteading just like us, and they're getting ready to go off-grid. Off-grid living. They're getting ready to move to their little forever home that they have been saving up to buy, and they got I think 20 or 40 acres. I think it's 20 acres, maybe 40. I could be wrong. Could be. Don't quote me on that. But they got an off-grid place that they're going to be moving to shortly. So you guys need to go check them out. They're going to have an awesome journey over there. I'm excited to see the off-grid lifestyle. That's something I've always wanted to do. But anyways, I'll quit rambling on here. Right, I'm going to get right into the video, and we're going to process this rabbit. I'm going to show you the quickest way to do it. The first thing you're going to want to do is wet this rabbit down. That way it saves on the fur, getting fur everywhere. And this thing's about broke. All right, the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to wet this down, get rid of that bee right there. That way it just cuts back on the fur getting all over the place. Once you do that, you're just going to find the back right here and you're going to make a slit. This is how I do it. It works awesome. It's really fast and effective. Now, like I said, this is the way you do it if you don't want to save the hide. If you're wanting to save the hide, then go over check out Melissa's video and she'll show you exactly how to do that. Make your little slit just like that. See that? And all you're going to do is just pull it apart. I'm gonna cut that tail right there. That way it's just a little bit easier for me to pull the hide up over the legs. You may have to wrap this up to get a grip on it. I like to use a little hatchet if I can. You can use some kind of bone saw. That's all you do. You're done with that. And I'll come in here and clean this up for you here in a second. Same thing with right here. There you go. All right, I got this nice and skinned out. You see how quick that was? Simple, easy to do. You don't have to use a big old hatchet. You can use other things to cut the legs off. That's just how I do it. It seems to work really good for me every time I do it this way. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and gut it, then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with it. You can just you can do this different ways. This is how I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna tear it right here so I don't cut into the intestines and all that. You see, kind of just use gravity and it all just comes out. So I'll clean this up a little bit, then I'll be back and talk a little bit about what I'm getting ready to do. Okay, I got this cooking ready. Look at that, look how quick that was. Let me show you guys something before I get off here. If you did not know, I do have another channel. It's called DutchEats. It's a cooking channel. All I post on there is cooking. I do outdoor, indoor. Well, I'm going to put this rabbit on a rotisserie and I'm going to cook it over the open fire. So if you want to see that video, this isn't part of the contest, just go subscribe over to DutchEats and watch this rabbit video. I'll put a link up to this video too up there in the iCard section. So after you go subscribe to Good Simple Living, Melissa over there, go subscribe to them, getting their contest, getting mine. Go check out DutchEats and cooking this rabbit. It's going to be awesome. Roasting over open fire. So I'll show you prepping the rabbit, and then you got to go watch DutchEats to see me roasting this thing. Okay, so what an educational video today. You guys got to see how quick it really is to process your own rabbits. You can, if you're not saving the skin, do it my way. If you are wanting to save the skin, the hide, go watch Melissa. She'll teach you step by step how to process it and skin it where you can keep it and tan it. She's got a bunch of rabbit videos over there. Hey, if you came over there from her channel, thank you very much. I greatly appreciate you guys. We're actually going to be raising rabbits again probably this spring or summer. We're in the process of building a barn and some other things. That way I can get my rabbit stations set back up. I've raised rabbits in the past for a couple years, got away from it for about a year. Now I'm going to get back into it. Just a matter of time. It's probably going to be a few months until I can do it. But thank you so much for coming over here from her channel and subscribing to me. I greatly appreciate it. I think you guys are really going to enjoy what I got going on over here on the homestead. We got quail. We have chickens. We just processed 22 meat chickens. We have goats. We used to have sheep. We do our own pigs. I mean, we just do a little bit of everything. Like I always like to say, I didn't choose this lifestyle. This lifestyle chose me. And I would not change it for anything. You guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. Hope you learned something today. I love processing my own animals. I actually have a deer that I need to process hanging in my cooler. So we got a lot of stuff going on out here in the homestead. So like I said, if you're new to this channel, thank you very much for coming over here and subscribing. All my old subscribers, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to get in the giveaway. You have to go subscribe to her to get on her $200 knife. My $50 money I'm going to send out. You got to comment down here. You guys know the rules. So it's up to you if you want to contact us. No scammers. There's a bunch of scammers out there. You guys got to be careful of them guys. But you guys, thanks so much for watching. Love you all. Thanks for the support, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.